Many people use tweezers to remove unwanted hairs, and although this is a simple way to eliminate them, tweezing yanks out the whole root. This harms the follicle, potentially causing the new hair to grow inward or become thicker and coarser. This can lead to it being embedded under the skin, resulting in discomfort, ingrown hairs, infection, scarring, and even permanent hair loss. If you find yourself battling pesky ingrown hairs or skin irritation, it might be time to consider alternative hair removal methods like waxing or threading, which remove hair at the surface level and are generally less damaging to the follicles. If you decide to wax your hair, you are not merely eliminating the hair above the skin, you are extracting the entire hair shaft and root from the follicle. This is a deeper form of hair removal compared to shaving, which only cuts the hair at the surface level. Consequently, it is typically painful, particularly in sensitive areas like the bikini line or underarms, since the hairs are anchored firmly at the base by the root. Additionally, waxed hair takes longer to regrow, often requiring several weeks before it becomes visible again. This is because the hair growth cycle is disrupted when the hair is removed from the root. Occasionally, the regrown hair is weaker and thinner, appearing less coarse and pigmented. The root cause is that pulling hair out by the root can traumatize the follicle, damaging the papilla which is responsible for hair growth, ultimately leading to less hair production over time.